Hello guys, and welcome to a quick tutorial about how to update your graphics driver. Now, I've already went through this once, but apparently my software wasn't recording. So that gets a big fuck you award. But hopefully this is recording now. So basically, what you do, you right click, screen resolution. This is how to update your graphics driver. If I forgot to say that. So you click advanced settings, adapter, properties, driver. That's it. That's all you got to do. There's nothing complex about that. Now, obviously, there are other ways to update your drivers, but do not trust any software that you get from the internet, because that is unlikely to be legit. It's most likely going to come with a virus, key logger, and stuff like that. Don't trust them. I'm not saying that they're all bad, but I'm saying don't trust them. Trust the Windows way to do it. Obviously, if this doesn't find something, go via the website of your graphics driver, and it gives you all the information here anyway for what you need. So it just gives you everything that you could possibly need by here. You don't have to do any complex command line. You don't have to search the control panel for fucking years. Because basically, that's what I did. I searched it for ages. Because basically, on Windows XP, it's so much easier. There is an option that actually says graphics driver. It says graphics. Yet, for Windows, apparently for Windows 7, they thought, oh, let's stick it in resolution. Everyone's going to be able to fucking find it there. What? Now, it would make more sense if this updated on its own, but there are a couple of problems with when a driver updates. That there might be a problem with it being incompatible with the version of Windows that you have. It might be incompatible with other drivers. There might be software collisions and stuff like that. So always make up a backup before you update your driver, and then if something goes wrong, you can always roll back to that backup. Or, you know, if it works and stuff seems to be laggier, or, you know, you're getting less FPS in games, you can always roll back to your previous driver if that works more effectively. Because some of the newer drivers don't always work best with, you know, the older games. And so you can always roll back your driver. And of course, if your graphics driver fails, you really need this, because this is basically, your operating system is a graphical user interface, so you need a graphics card. So just be careful. You know, make sure you do regular updates. Should be doing regular regular backups. Should be doing backups anyway. If you're not, I would really recommend start doing it. If you get a virus, or someone hacks into your machine, then you've got no way to retrieve all your programs. They've got all your documents and stuff like that. Now, the only thing that I do have to say about Windows Backup is that it does occasionally crash. It does break. It's not very effective. You might want to get something that does it better. But the Windows Backup should work most of the time, but sometimes it crashes. Like, mine crashed on... I did it the other day, and it crashed on 20%. And then I got a pop-up saying, backup is corrupt. But yeah, I've still got the system image. Now, basically, what backup will do is it will create... Actually, I don't want to go into this. I'll do this in another episode of this. But basically, I wanted to give this tutorial because I kind of see people just going down the wrong route, getting a lot of viruses and stuff like that. And also, I have to say, if you see any Minecraft for free premium accounts, God's sake, don't go to the website. You've got to be the most muppet person in the world. Don't do it. Oh, you might get a Minecraft free account for free. No. Can you really? Yeah, as if a fucking company that pays for a game, you know, and it's actually you to pay for it. As if they're gonna fucking release it for free on a different, unlegit website that has nothing to do with their company. Yeah. Bollocks. Can't believe people fall for that. I'm gonna leave it there. Hopefully you've enjoyed this episode. I'm gonna leave it right here. Hopefully it recorded this time, because I'll be very upset if it didn't. But please leave a like if you've got any questions. Leave a question, but I'd always say go to the provider of your driver first and ask their support. There always should be a support thing. You should be able to find a website for them. If you can't, you know, give me a message and I'll see if I can find anything. But now if you think your computer is, they're not updating my driver anymore, you know, this driver's stopped being manufactured, they will still be doing updates for it. So don't get that into your head. My computer's way too old. They're not going to update the drivers anymore. They are. they will still update it because, you know, they still have to update their driver up to the latest version of Windows or to the latest version of Linux. They have to keep updating it even if it's 20 years old. And as long as they know that there's a huge market out there that are using it. So that's where I'm going to leave it. You know, please leave a like, please leave a comment. Any questions, leave it in the comments. That's where I'm going to leave it. See you guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully I've explained it well. Hopefully you understand everything, and hopefully you could see everything that's happening, because I know that this software can make reading a bit difficult. So, you know, put it in HD, and I'll leave it there. See you guys. Oh.